All right, next example, test 4. We're going to open that up. We're back to the National League. This one we're going to put National League in XML. Over here we have our XML variable. We're going to refine it and only get the player nodes, which is not really that refined, but we'll put that in person. So we have a person variable. Then we're going to qualify it. We've already looked at something like this in the presentation a little bit. We're going to qualify it, or rather we're going to create a qualify variable that's going to allow us to refine what players we grab. And we're going to set that equal to 500. So now 500 is in qualify. And over here what we're going to do is say we want all the players, but we only want those players that had at-bats, because all the player nodes are in person. So I can do person / at-bats. I only want the player nodes that have at-bats that are greater than or equal to 500. So grab all those, and then we're going to return them, but before we do that, we're going to order them by average. So each one's average, we're going to order that, and we're going to do it in a descending way. So let's just see. I can't remember if it starts with the highest number first. It should be the highest one or the lowest one. I think it's the highest one. So when we hit play up here, it'll run the query and we'll get some results down here, and it'll overwrite our last one we ran. Alright, so here we are. We have our players, and what we're wanting is we're doing it by only at-bats are above 500, but we're going to do it by average. So let's look at the average here. We have 315, 314. Okay, so the highest one is indeed at the top. So descending means take your highest number and do a countdown. Or if it was alphabetical, it would go basically from Z to A. So that's example 4.